If you actually achieve something, if you want to call yourself successful, the real problem starts now. It is a problem bigger than you qualifying on that day. Because what happens? You actually become arrogant. Your attitude changes. Your perception towards people changes. And they always say, when you achieve everything in life, you have to stay calm. You have to wait. Because there is going to be a turn again. You know, always people saying that. That's the most important lesson, because majority people may understand 1, 2, 3, but they always forget the last one. When they achieve everything, you are in that zone where you believe everything is going the way you wanted it. That means everything is actually going to go in future also the way you want it. That is where you have to become calm as a person. You have to become little bit, you can say, have gratitude towards people. ये empathy होना चाहिए. ये छोटी छोटी चीजें आपको सही में लोग आज लिख के बोलेंगे, कोई कोर्ट में लिखेंगे. जब तुम उस एक पोजीशन में रहोगे, तुमको रियलाइज होगा कि ये चीजें अगर तुम्हारे अंदर इनबिल्ट है, यू डोंट गो रॉन्ग. अदरवाइज आफ्टर रीचिंग देयर, व्हेन यू फॉल, दैट इज द बिगेस्ट फॉल. व्हेन यू फॉल फ्रॉम नॉट पासिंग फाउंडेशन, एक्सेप्टेबल. फ्रॉम इंटरमीडिएट, एक्सेप्टेबल. फ्रॉम फाइनल, एक्सेप्टेबल. After working for 20 years, when you believe you have achieved something in life, and if people start disrespecting that, trust me, this is the biggest possible problem what a person can really face in life. क्योंकि उसको अपने ऊपर से कॉन्फिडेंस खत्म हो जाता है. और वो नॉर्मली तब होता है जब एक इंसान एक्चुअली में अपने आसपास के लोगों को निग्लेक्ट करना शुरू करता है, अपने आप को बहुत बड़ा समझना शुरू कर देता है. ये चीज आपको अपना कुछ ना कुछ टाइम आएगा, 5 साल के बाद, 7 साल के बाद. लाइक अ सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, the day you clear your intermediate, you start an articleship, you get a very good firm, and the way you start looking at other people that, नहीं यार इसमें बहुत difference है, what I am, what they are, there is a difference. It's nice to have a difference, but it's not nice to talk about it so loudly that you actually try to make others feel really bad about it. It's your job to advise them, not to criticize them. Yes, criticism can also be done in a very constructive manner. In a manner where they actually learn from you, they not really start hating you. So, you know, these are few things which books won't teach you, which classes won't teach you. You have to learn in life on your own 100%. I still remember a person in my office. I'll give you the name also. Mr. Yuvraj Mohite. He was my manager when I was in PwC. आप मुझे पूछेंगे ना जिंदगी में, मेरे हिसाब से मैंने जो सीखा है जिंदगी में, वो 3.5 साल में सीखा है, जब मुझे लगता था मेरा हर दिन सबसे टफ था आर्टिकलशिप का. And trust me, if I wouldn't have gone there, I was a 17-year-old person जिसने लिटरली क्लास 8th एक छोटे टाउन के अंदर खत्म किया है, जहां पर हम इंग्लिश में क्वेश्चन पेपर में 100 में से 100 लाते थे, क्योंकि राम के पिताजी का नाम क्या था, ये क्वेश्चन था. From there I went to a English medium school in Jaipur where I failed in all subjects in class 8. From there I finished my class 10th. I thought of going to science and I flunked in a test for science, and then I realized no, I'm not for science. I went to commerce in class 11, 12, and then I realized commerce works for me. And then I chose CPT. Again, 11, 12, suddenly such a jump. You thought everything is right for you. Then you get rejected in 12th marks. Then you realize you're not getting the college what you wanted, and then you choose a course. So, you know, you choose a course and then you realize everything is nice. 17-year-old me, when I came to Pune, Symbiosis used to have a quota of non-Maharashtrian students. मतलब उनका जो BCom का एडमिशन होता है ना, ऐसा डिवीजन होता है, महाराष्ट्रियन कोटा एंड नॉन महाराष्ट्रियन कोटा. It was there in 2008. I don't know what is the situation today. 20 people who were selected from non-Maharashtrian quota. Do you get my point? They all were my friends. And trust me, what I thought of class 12th when I came here, I thought really good. 19 of them were better than me. I was intimidated by them because some of them came from Doon School, some came from Christ College, Bangalore. Their understanding, their exposure was way ahead. I was in a school 11, 12. Your school exposure and college exposure cannot be compared in all senses. You're understanding my point. Then I realized, wow, the life is again changing. You have to understand that everyone is going to be better than you till the time you work really hard, and when you reach there, you don't have to feel arrogant. Yeah, that is one thing. Remember in life, वो कोई नहीं बताएगा क्योंकि तब सब अच्छा लगेगा, and everyone will try to appreciate you and butter you. But that is the time where someone should slap you and tell you, don't do that.